Hey Hydrohaven family, welcome back to another episode full of gardening tips. Today we're focusing on one of the most vibrant, easy-to-grow flowers out there, zinnias. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting, zinnias are a fantastic addition to any garden. They're known for their bright colors, resilience, and ability to attract pollinators. In today's guide, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to grow zinnias from seed to bloom. So grab your gardening tools, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, and share this video with anyone who's ready to brighten up their garden with these beautiful flowers. Let's jump in. Zinnias are annual flowers native to Mexico, part of the Asteraceae family, which also includes daisies and sunflowers. They are known for their bright, bold blooms and their ability to thrive in the heat, making them perfect for hot climates and gardens with plenty of sunlight. Zinnias are not only beautiful but also incredibly resilient, resistant to most pests and diseases, making them an excellent choice for both beginner and seasoned gardeners. These flowers bloom in a range of vibrant colors like red, orange, pink, purple, and white, and can be planted in flower beds, borders, containers, or hanging baskets. Plus, they're perfect for attracting pollinators like bees and butterflies, which can help other plants in your garden thrive. Zinnias love the sun. They thrive in full sunlight, so make sure you plant them in an area that gets at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight per day. The more sun, the better. This is key for helping your zinnias produce those colorful blooms you're looking for. These flowers prefer well-draining soil. If you have heavy clay soil that holds onto moisture, it's a good idea to amend it with organic matter like compost to improve drainage. Zinnias don't like to sit in waterlogged soil, so ensure that your garden or containers have good drainage. If you're planting in pots, make sure they have holes at the bottom. Zinnias are relatively drought-tolerant once established, but they still need consistent watering during their growing season. Be mindful of watering directly at the base of the plant, as water on the leaves can promote fungal diseases. Now that you know where to plant them, let's talk about how to get started with zinnias. You can either start them from seed indoors and transplant them, or you can sow them directly into your garden. Here's a step-by-step guide. Starting zinnia seeds indoors. 1. Start early. If you're starting indoors, sow your zinnia seeds about 6 weeks before the last expected frost. You can use seed trays or small pots filled with a good quality, well-draining potting mix. 2. Sow the seeds. Gently press the seeds into the soil, but don't bury them too deep. Zinnia seeds need light to germinate, so just press them lightly into the soil. 3. Provide warmth. Keep your pots in a warm area. 70 degrees Fahrenheit or 21 degrees Celsius is ideal for germination. Place the pots in a sunny spot or use a grow light if you don't have enough natural light. 4. Water gently. Keep the soil moist, not soggy, during the germination process, and you should start seeing seedlings in about 7 to 10 days. 5. Transplant when ready. Once the seedlings have grown enough to handle and the outdoor temperatures have warmed up, harden them off by gradually introducing them to outdoor conditions. After about a week, transplant them to your garden or larger containers. Sowing zinnia seeds, outdoors. 1. Wait for warm weather. Make sure the weather is warm and there's no risk of frost before sowing zinnia seeds outdoors. This usually means waiting until late spring or early summer. 2. Prepare the soil. Loosen the soil to a depth of about 2 to 3 inches and mix in some compost to enrich it. 3. Sow the seeds. Plant the seeds about a 1/4 inch deep and space them about 12 inches apart. You can sow them in rows or scatter them in a cluster for a more natural look. 4. Water and wait. Water the seeds gently, keeping the soil moist. You should start seeing sprouts in about 7 to 10 days. Zinnias are relatively low maintenance, but giving them the right care can ensure that they thrive and bloom beautifully all season. Here are a few care tips. Watering. Zinnias need consistent watering, especially when they're young. Water at the base of the plant and avoid overhead watering, which can encourage fungal diseases. Make sure the soil is moist but not waterlogged. Deadheading. To encourage continuous blooming, remove spent flowers regularly. This is called deadheading, and it prevents the plant from focusing on seed production. Cutting back spent blooms helps the plant direct its energy toward producing new flowers. Fertilizing zinnias don't require a lot of fertilizer, so avoid overdoing it. A light feeding with a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks should be enough to keep them healthy. Too much fertilizer can lead to lush foliage with fewer flowers, so keep it moderate. Pest control. While zinnias are fairly pest-resistant, they can occasionally attract aphids, caterpillars, or spider mites. If you spot pests, gently hose them off with water or use insecticidal soap to treat them. Zinnias are quick to bloom, typically within 60 to 70 days from seed. If you start them early enough, they will begin to bloom in mid to late summer. Zinnias will continue to bloom for several months, usually until the first frost, so you can enjoy vibrant flowers throughout the growing season. Zinnias make beautiful cut flowers for bouquets, and they last well in a vase. To harvest, use sharp scissors or garden shears to cut the stems at a 45-degree angle, which helps the flowers absorb water better. It's best to cut zinnias in the morning when they're fully hydrated. When cutting, choose flowers that are either still in the bud stage or fully open. If you want your zinnias to last even longer in a vase, remove the leaves from the lower part of the stem before placing them in water. Growing zinnias is a rewarding experience that anyone can enjoy. Whether you're new to gardening or an experienced gardener looking for colorful, low-maintenance flowers, zinnias are a perfect choice. With their ability to thrive in hot weather and their stunning blooms, they'll brighten up your garden in no time. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe, share this video with fellow garden lovers, and leave your zinnia growing tips in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you grow these beauties in your garden. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.